Good morning, children. In English literature, I explained to you about this particular boy called Joji, that he was very much afraid after seeing a big monster. He was alone in the room, and then after hearing sound, he was totally confused and he was very much afraid. Now he has started looking at the kite. He himself has grown this big fat cat, but now he could see this particular kite in different ways. He had drawn his face in the left side, but now it is looking right side, and the tail also was in the beginning it was left hand side, but now it is looking right side. So it is a total confusion for this particular boy. Now today let us take page number 75. Page 75. The boy who drew kites. See the last paragraph you see. But now the kite faced the other way, as if it had come down from the screen and then gone back up. So it is looking ups and down. In other words, looking in different way. The kite which he had drawn is looking in different way. So it is looking ups and down. Totally it is looking different way. Different way, and therefore now this boy is thinking that something has turned this kite in other side. So now it is a confusion for that, and so therefore he says the kite. I had not drawn this kite in this way, but now it is totally looking in and sitting also in other side. So it is a confusion for this particular boy. Next, his eyes grew wide and he bowed to the screen. See, as if it is made by someone else. So this boy is confused now. So he says, his eyes grew wide, eyes grew wide. That means he was very much afraid and he was afraid as well as he was getting angry. As well as getting angry. Okay, so he couldn't believe himself. So he says, his eyes grew wide and he bowed to the screen. He bowed. He went very close to the kite and he was looking at it. That is it the same kite which I had made or it is someone has made? So it is a confusion about bending. Bending and looking at the kite. Okay. Now next line you see. Thank you. You had saved me. So he says, now this particular boy is completely happy. No, he is happy. He says, this particular kite which I have made, you have saved my life. You are very good kite. He is surprised. Says, thank you. You have saved me. For as long as I live, no one will stop me from drawing kites. because it is a talent. As I told you in my earlier class, it is a talent or a hobby. It is his hobby, or it is his talent, or it is his skill to draw kites. And in fact, he had made kites on the screen. And now he is thanking. He says, "Thank you, thank you. You have saved my life. You have saved my life." So he is thanking this particular big kite. See, no one will stop me from drawing kites because it is my talent, it is my hobby, it is my liking. Therefore, no one can stop me drawing a kite. I don't want to become a farmer like my father is a farmer. I don't want to work in the field. I don't want to remain in the farm. Rather, I want to become a certain a particular person, or I want to become a talented drawer. I want to become an artist. So that is his talent, my dear children. So like that, we need also when we like something or when we love doing something very interesting, we should develop our talent. Then only we can become or we can become a good person in that particular line. So, my dear children, I will continue my class. I end here. Thank you very much to everyone.